Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK Notebook. My last two videos were about the Vedic culture and the early Vedic or Rig Vedic period. This video is about the later Vedic period and I would be covering 33 questions. Now coming to question number 1. During the later Vedic period, the Aryan settlement covered the whole of northern India. What was it called? So it was called Aryavart. 2. Where did the center of culture shifted in the later Vedic period? It shifted from Saraswati to Ganges, that is Madhya Desh. 3. In which Brahmana the legend of expansion of Vedic people towards the east is indicated? So it has been indicated in Satpat Brahmana. 4. Name some of the Janpads. So Kuru, Panchal, Kashi are some of the Janpads. 5. Which mountain is mentioned in later Vedic period? The answer is Vindhya mountain. Question number 6. What were the three broad divisions of India according to later Vedas? So it is Aryavart, Madhya Desh and Dakshinpath. 7. In which Brahmana we notice the theory of the divine origin of kingship? The answer is Taittiriya Brahmana. 8. Who was the gateman or chamberlain? So it was Shat or the Khastri. 9. What was the treasurer, collector of taxes and courier called? So Sangrahitri was treasurer, Bhagdud was collector of taxes and Akshavapa was the courier. 10. What was the friend of king called? So Palagala is the answer. 11. Who was the head of forest department? The answer is Govikarta. 12. Who was entrusted with the duty of administering areas occupied by the aboriginals? So it is Thapati. 13. What was the village official and the police official called? So it was called Adhikrit and the police official was called Ugra. Which two assemblies control the affairs of the kingdom? The answer is Sabha and the Samiti. 15. Which assembly had completely disappeared in the later Vedic period? The answer is Vidatha. 16. The institution of the Gotra or clan appeared in which period? The answer is later Vedic period. 17. In which text there is the earliest reference to the four ashrams? So the answer is Jabal Upanishad. 18. What were the four ashrams? Brahmacharya, Grihasth, Vanprasth and Sannyas. 19. Why was the ashram system formed? So it was formed to attain four purusharth, that is dharma, arth, kam and moksha. Question 20. According to which text a daughter is the source of misery but a son is the protector of family? The answer is Aittreya Brahmana. 21. What were the three evils and it was mentioned in which text? Three evils were liquor, woman and dice and it was mentioned in Maitrayani Samhita. 22. Which text indicates that some women had got higher education? So Vrihad Aranyaka Upanishad in the Yajnavalkya Gargi dialogue. 23. What about the status of women? So it declined in the later Vedic period. 24. How many types of Vivah was there? There were 8 types of Vivah: Brahma, Dev, Arsh, Prajapati, Asur, Gandharv, Rakshas and Peshach. 25. What was Anulom and Pratilom Vivah? Anulom Vivah was in which upper caste groom married lower caste bride and Pratilom Vivah was one in which lower caste groom married upper caste bride. 26. How many types of sanskars are there? So there are 16 types of sanskars. 27. Which gods relegated into the background? So Indra and Agni lost their relevance. 28. Which gods rose to prominence? The answer is Prajapati, the creator of universe, later called Brahma, Vishnu, the patron god of iron, and Rudra, the god of animals, or Shiva. 29. Who became the supreme god? The Prajapati became the supreme god in the later Vedic period. 30. Which god protected the cattle in the early Vedic period? The answer is Pushan. And what was his status in the later Vedic period? So he became the god of Shudra. Question number 31. Which work was the first to give the doctrine of transmigration, that is Punarjanm or Samsar Chakra, and deeds or karma? The answer is Brihad Aranyaka Upanishad. Now, how many varieties of sacrifices was there? So it was of two variety, Laghu Yagya and Mahayagya. Mahayagya was divided into Rajsu Yagya, Vajpayee Yagya, Ashwamedh Yagya, and Agnishtoma Yagya. Rajsu Yagya was a series of sacrifices lasting over a year and later replaced by a simplified Abhishek. Vajpayee Yagya means the drink of strength, and it was carried from 17 days up to 1 year. Ashwamedh Yagya dealt with horse sacrifice and lasted for 3 days. 33. What was the time scale of painted graveware culture? So the time scale is 1100 BC to 600 BC. If you like my video, then please subscribe, share, and like my channel GK Notebook. Thank you. My next video would be on Mahajanpad period from 600 BC to 325 BC, which is part of ancient history.